So hello everyone, today we'll be talking about what are CRUD operations in MongoDB. So let's understand what is a CRUD operation. So basically CRUD operations stands for create, read and update and delete. So these are the four basic operations which are done when you want to integrate them into a normal application. So for example, if you are creating any shopping application, in that you want to add products, remove products, find products or read products, and you also want to update products. So these kind of basic behavior you will find in all the applications which consist of a database, and these are the general operations which we perform on a database. So CRUD operations. I have also listed down their methods in Mongo shell. So these are the methods we'll be learning about in the future videos. So insert one is the method that inserts one element inside the collection. So you can insert one document for specifically you can insert one document inside your collection. And insert many is the method that can insert more than one document if you want. So in the last video we saw how to insert one document. So by using this insert one method, we can also insert more than one JSON objects or objects, normally objects, in document collections by using these methods. So this is the first operations. So we'll be working on the CRUD operations as well. So first let me just give you the overview of these methods. And the other one is find, which we already have seen in the last video, that find looks for all the data which has the filter matching. We also can leave this filter if you want all the data to come and show in that collection. So this is find, and find one will always return you one element or one document if you search for, and you can also filter that out also. You can add the filter, like condition. Filter is nothing but the condition that you want to find the objects which matches this condition. So you want that document which matches this condition by adding this filter option. Also there is one update operation which we will perform later in the series, and the update operation consists of these methods commonly, which are update one, update many and replace one. Update one will only update one document in your collection. So filter, it also has one filter, like it searches for that which element matches this filter or this condition. Then we send the data which we want to update, or the updated data we send that, and the update one will only replace those objects which are like updated. So it will only update that one. Update many will update many documents if it is there which matches the condition, and replace one will completely replace the object or the document with your specified data which you send in the replace one method. So update to will also see this operation in the action in the later videos. Also the last condition, which is delete, this is for you this delete operation we use for deleting the elements or documents. So for that we use these methods which are delete one. It also accepts one filter that according to which condition you want to delete any document. So this delete one accept that condition. Also there is one more method which is delete many, which will delete more than one document, because delete one will only delete one element or one document, and the delete many will delete uh, many documents if it matches the condition which we'll provide in the method. So we'll see all these CRUD operations function in the action in the upcoming videos. So for that we'll meet in the another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.